COVID-19 restricted our students from school life. Our children miss their classrooms, playgrounds, canteen, auditorium and stage and all other cultural activities. At this point of time, Jnanodaya Bethany PU College is conducting an online competition, Utsav 2020 Cultural Fiesta. I appreciate and congratulate Father Matthew Praful, the principal of the school, for taking this initiative. Dear students, all of you should participate in this competition. I wish you all the very best and success. I declare Utsav 2020 inaugurated. Thank you.
ಸಮಸ್ತ ಕಲಾಭಿಮಾನಿಗಳಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಕಿಲಾಡಿ ಅನೀಶ್ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ವೇಣೂರು. ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಕೊರೋನಾದ ಒಂದು ಕರಿನೆರಳು ಆವರಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅದು ಕರಿನೆರಳು ಜಾರಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ನಡೆಗೆ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಶಾಲಾ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲವುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿವೆ. ಸೊ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಶಾಲಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಒಂದು ದೈನಂದಿನ ಬದುಕಿನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಬೆಥನಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಉತ್ಸವ 2020. ಅಂದರೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮುನ್ನಡೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆಯುವುದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಬೆಥನಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನವರು ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಕೆಗಳು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಸೊ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಉತ್ಸವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕವಾದಂತಹ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅನಾವರಣ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಸದಾವಕಾಶ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಜ್ಞಾನೋದಯ ಬೆಥನಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕ ವೃಂದದವರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Hi friends, good morning, and first of all I would like to extend a very heartfelt gratitude to Father Varghese Kaipandika OIC for his inaugural address, and also Mr. Anish Pujari for his beautiful words of felicitation. Utsav 2020. It's a JV online cultural fiesta for all the students of Jnanodaya Bethany. There will be 3 events that are being conducted: solo song, solo dance and speech. Now the rules and regulations. For solo song, you can sing any song, any language, classical, semi-classical, folk, whatever song is there, you can sing. There is no problem. You can sing with karaoke, without karaoke, all that depends on you. The only thing is about the time limit. It's 120 seconds, that is 2 minutes. Solo dance, again any form of dance, classical, semi-classical, or you have folk, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, cinematic, contemporary, break, whatever it is, there is no issues. The time limit is 120 seconds. But while dancing, you have to take care of the costumes that you wear. It should be decent costumes. Indecent costumes and vulgar gestures will not be promoted or aired. Speech, again 120 seconds. The topic for the speech is impact of Corona on my school life. Impact of Corona on my school life. There will be 5 categories: KG section, primary section, higher primary, high school and PU section. Of these 5 sections, the KG section will have competition only for 2 events. that is solo song and solo dance. All the other sections, primary, higher primary, high school and PU sections will have competitions for all the 3 events. Now coming to the last date of submission, you have to send the videos less than 120 seconds on or before December 3rd 8 pm. December 3rd 8 pm. December 4th onwards your videos will be uploaded in the YouTube and the winners will be declared on December 8th. Now the winners will be declared based on the maximum YouTube likes that you get. So it's your duty to spread your talent to the people and get maximum likes. Now the last time to get maximum like is December 7th 10 pm. After that it will be closed. Yes, after December 7th 10 pm it will be closed and the person who are getting maximum likes will be counted. So it's December 7th 10 pm. Now the cash prize, we have first and second in each category. The cash prize is, first prize is 1000 rupees and second prize it's 500 rupees. One person can participate only in 2 events, maximum of 2 events. So in a category a person cannot participate in all the 3 events, it's only 2 events. You have to send your videos and entries via Telegram or WhatsApp. Via Telegram or WhatsApp to the following phone number 7022909669 along with the name and the class and the event. Name, class and event should be mentioned. Certain rules, strict observance of time limit. If you exceed the time limit, if 120 second is exceeded to 121 second also, it will not be considered. The jury will be directly cutting the video, will not be airing the video for the competition. Also, in case of any indecent gestures, words, costumes, etc., the jury has the right to deny those entries. So children, what are you waiting for? Gear up together, let the competitions begin. Start sending your entries today. May God bless you.